Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing Pocket Option versus IQ Option, two of the most talked about trading platforms. So whether you're into binary options or diversified investing, this breakdown will help you decide which one's best for you. So let's dive in. And let's start with Pocket Option. This one, it's a popular platform for binary and CFD trading, offering over 100 assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, and commodities. It's known for its clean interface, free demo account, fast execution, and social trading features. Plus, it offers high payouts up to 98%. And you can also earn interest on unused funds, and there are no deposit or withdrawal commissions, though a small amount of 0.5% fee applies when copying trades. However, Pocket Option isn't regulated by major authorities. It's only under IFMRRC oversight, which has raised some concerns among traders about withdrawal delays and account issues. Now, let's look at the competitor, IQ Option. This one's a regulated multi-asset broker under CSEC and the Bahamas SCB. It supports Forex, CFDs, crypto, ETFs, stocks, and even binary options in some regions. With a low $10 minimum deposit and $10,000 demo and award-winning design, IQ Option stands out for its professional platform and transparent trading costs. It does have small withdrawal and inactivity fees, but you're getting strong regulation and broad asset coverage in return. So what's really the verdict here? If you love high payouts, social trading, and contests, and don't mind lighter regulation, well, Pocket Option is a fun, flexible pick for you. But if you prefer a safer, more regulated environment with broader market options, IQ Option is the better choice for you. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.